Makoy and Eve from Philippine Blue Phoenix. So, meron kasing race dito sa Zambales. Kaya na-invite kami nila John, tsaka ni
Brian.
Dito, try yung starboard. Okay siya. New experience, tsaka challenging kasi nakakaya.
Balance, anong pinakaiba niya sa sa balancing? So tingin mo pwedeng adopt ng nag-dragon boat?
Sa dragon boat kasi nakaupo
Different, no?
Dito dapat nakatayo, pero kung balancing dapat magaling nagbabalance.
Kasi pag mahangin, mahirap siya i-balance kasi yung tao pag mahangin gumagano. Pero okay.
Challenging talaga yung balance. Yun talaga yung number one. There. Okay siya. Okay na experience. Siguro worth a try kung gagawin ulit.
Tsaka first time kong nakakita ng ganyang board.
I'm Sergeant Salvador Sumagaysay, I'm from Philippine Army. Siguro kailangan ng balancing. Ito kasi may balancing. Katawan mo i-balance mo talaga para hindi ka matumba, balance. kailangan nakaka-focus ka rin.
Ano pong masasabi niyo about the quality po ng...
Yung quality, okay naman quality niya. Magandang quality niya, matibay.
Keep
Keep supporting
supporting Starboard
Starboard.
Philippines.